First, he brought you the world-shattering deplanetizer. Then, the soul-crushing bio-obliterator. Now, here to reveal his most terrifying, diabolical, and just downright nasty invention. Give a big warbot welcome to your favorite evil overlord, Dr. Nefarious!
Thank you all for coming to my latest evil product launch!
Wait, we had a choice?
Mindless minions, behold! My most fearsome and dangerous weapon yet! The Portalizer! Patent pending, all rights reserved. With this device, I can rip portals in the very fabric of time and space, even into other dimensions.
Oh, no.
You said it, Clank.
Oh, yes! Come on, let's get closer. No, Ratchet.
Ratchet, no! This could be dangerous!
Such as the dimension of man-eating kittens. The land where robots grow body hair. I'm guessing the Calamari Quadrant? And finally, a domain brimming with creatures so ruthless, so blood-sucking, so terrifying, they'll make your head spin. My most recent discovery... Zed! I told you to make sure this thing was charged up.
Did you calibrate it properly, sir?
Of course, calibrate it properly. I'll calibrate you.
But did you set it to interdimensional instead of local?
Oh. Of course I set it to interdimensional. As I was saying, the Pizzaverse.
The pizza what now?
Now, say hello to a 367-topping pizza.
Now that's a pizza.
Ratchet, wait.
Disgusting. No matter. With this portalizer, I can access every corner of the multiverse. Each dimension, a smorgasbord of minions to add to my nefarious ranks. To help me conquer and rule all dimensions. And it comes with this handy lanyard.
Lanyard.
Hey, Ratchet and Clank, seize them!
Ratchet, what
Less talky, more escapey.
There is no escapee! Wait, is that even a word?
It is now. See you later, suckers! And we're back.
Somebody annihilate them! Enough slap and tickle! Find them!
There they are, sir.
My portalizer! No!
Oh, Janice.
Oh, Lance! I don't care if you are my best friend's evil twin brother.
Yes, that was the best escape ever.
Uh-oh. A checksum of my coupon storage indicates an error. I now have only 9 units, not 10.
Really?
What? Only 9, Cooper? This really sucks. It was 1 missing. They're supposed to make 10.
Oh, wow. I mean, you must have lost one of them during our awesome escape. Well, that's too bad.
It is far worse than bad. With only 9 coupons, free pizza acquisition is no longer an option. Oh, this never would have occurred if we did not detour from our mission.
Ah, come on. That was so cool, though. And now we get a great pie in the Pizzaverse.
My distress is not about the pizza, Ratchet. It is about my failure to complete a numerical task.
You want numbers? How about 367 layers of deliciousness?
Stop this, Ratchet. This device is too unpredictable and dangerous to be used for...
Pizzaverse, here we come! so beautiful. Hey, but pizza! No, come back! Wait, Clank, what are you doing?
Initiating control override.
Sorry, Ratch. You're not getting this pizza this time.
What? Cut it out!
Portaling into an unknown dimension could imperil the entire galaxy. All that to procure a pizza?
You're sometimes acting like a kid. And what is going to you?
With 367 toppings, now give me back the control of my ship!
Ratchet, you have ignored all of my requests today, so now I am the operating system. I will return control once we safely deliver this portalizer to the authorities.
This is about you losing that coupon, isn't it?
No, it's about us protecting galaxy.
See,
Yeah, no, you know what I mean. You and your numbers and functions and rules. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing we get anything done when someone keeps getting his little metal panties in a bunch.
invalid data. I do not wear undergarments, metal or otherwise.
That's enough.
Yeah, she and I don't argue. Now let's get to the museum.